Hey guys, it's me Dory here. Today I was actually pretty surprised. The place that I work at received some Pokemon cards yesterday, which I didn't work yesterday. But there was actually some stuff left. So I thought I would open those today. We had the 3-pack for Battle Styles, which I wasn't really keen on getting any more Battle Styles currently, but I really like this Jolteon promo card, which I'm always big on going for promos. And they had this really cute Shaymin coin, which I don't actually have. We also had one with a different type of Eevee promo for Sword and Shield, but I didn't want to stack up, and it had the same Shaymin coin in it too, so I was like, I'll probably just buy that separately at my local card store or something. And then I also, which I was thoroughly surprised about these, we had these tins for Shining Fates. We had, I think, about 5 or 6, and I went ahead and just grabbed the ones that had the Pokemon I really like the most on. So I will probably open those in a separate video, but we will work on the Battle Styles first. I actually have never opened one of those tins before, so I'm kind of excited about that. But we will go ahead and get started with this here. I always hate trying to open these. The only problem with these packs is that they usually put the single cards in here really awkwardly, so card's a little bent, but what are you gonna do? Very nice Jolteon. And here's our Shaymin coin here. To show off my coin collection. I don't really have too many, but it's starting to pile up now. All right. I think my main chase card is still the Victini Full Art, but honestly, I'll take anything I don't have. I don't remember if I got that Luxray. Which, if I don't have that, that's pretty exciting. All right. Go ahead with pack number 2 here. Ooh. Yesterday, with the booster box, I got a reverse holo of this, but I didn't get the regular holo, so that's pretty exciting. All right, set that aside here. All right, we got one more Battle Styles here. Doesn't look like I've gotten any V's or full arts, but that's okay. Ended up with a promo and a holo. And that'll be it for the Battle Styles opening. I will be doing the Shining Fates 10 in a separate video, so look forward to that. And I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.